bringing it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal from Align Motions, and in today's video I am here to discuss with you all that how you can turn your mobile photos into DSLR photos. As we already know, in DSLR photos the background is slowly blurred when we go far. So to make like this, just we have to make a depth map of this image. So to make the depth map, we have to make the selection. So to make the selection, you have already know how to make selection, and to save the time, I have already making the selection. So now I am load selection. Just go to and make selection and pressing Ctrl or Command J to duplicate it. So after all, just hold the Control key when you make the selection of your subject like this. So just go to the layer and hold the Control key and click on this thumbnail to make the selection. Now take a blank layer and press Alt plus backspace to fill the background color as black. To deselect it, just Control plus Command or D. Now, just again take a new blank layer and bring it to down. Take your gradient tool and make like this. It means the black area is in focus. So our subject is in focus and the white area is blurred in the image. So after all, we have to select these two layers by pressing shift key. Now go back to your channels and select any of the channel and make a copy by dragging it to plus icon and give it to name depth map. Now get back to RGB color and go back to layers. Now we don't need these three layers, so select these three layers by pressing shift key and group this by pressing Ctrl or Command G and hide it. Now we have to duplicate this layer, so press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate it. Now select any one of those layers and go to filter, blur, lens blur. Now if you make sure the source is in depth map, blur focal distance. Now and make sure the shape is set to in octagon, because the octagon lens aperture is very good, so we have to set octagon. Now if you want to blur more, you have to increase the radius. I think this is good, so just press OK. You can see it really good, looks fantastic like a DSLR. So if you see, the focus area is not blurred, but when we go far, the blur is increasing. So here is all up, guys. If you like this video, just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.